Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Solve the following. So we have to multiply 5524 by this number is 300 plus 70 plus 7, which is 377. So let us multiply 5524 by 377. So let's multiply these two numbers. So we'll do basic multiplication. We have to multiply this number with 377. So let us do the multiplication. 7 multiplied by 4 gives 28. So 2 is the carry. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14 plus 2 carry is 16 and 1 carry. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35 plus 1 is 36, 3 carry. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35 plus 3 is 38. Similarly, again in the tens place it is 7. So again the same value will come. Now leaving two places, we will multiply this 5524 by the 100th digit, that is 3. So after multiplication we will get this. Now what we have to do to get the final result, we have to add it. So after adding and forwarding the carry, we will get this number. Hence we can say that the answer is 20,82,548. So this is the answer.